Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make gizzard and plantain sauce, or Gizdodo as we call it here in Nigeria. I've started by cutting my washed gizzard into biteable sizes. And when I'm done cutting them, I'll add them into the pot. Add some chopped onions, bay leaves, and some spices. Half thyme, ginger powder, cinnamon powder, garlic powder, curry powder, and the chicken seasoning. I'll also be adding it one seasoning cube and just a little tiny salt. I'll add it little water to start cooking it, but we'll add it more water later as it cooks. To make the sauce, I'll be using these few tomatoes and the peppers. I'll go ahead now, wash them. I also have onions here. I'll wash and cut all of them, add into the blender and then blend. After blending it, I'll add to the pot and cook it until dry. And while that is cooking, let's check the meat. The meat is well cooked now. I'll take it out and fry. Remember, we are making Gizdodo, gizzard and plantain sauce. So I've got some ripe plantain here, which I will slice into chunks or cubes and also fry them. Now we have everything ready for this sauce. We have our fried plantain, our fried gizzard, and also the dried tomatoes. I'll go ahead now, add some oil in the pot, add some onions and fry it for a few minutes. I will also add some spices. I have here some garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, and the thyme. Stir and fry for some minutes before I will now add the pepper and tomato mix. I'm adding 2 chicken seasoning and a little salt. I will stir and cover and allow to cook for some minutes. The sauce has been cooking for some minutes now, but it's too thick, so I'll add it some of the gizzard stock to loosen it a bit. It is now time to add our gizzard and the plantain, but before that I'll take out some of the sauce because it will be too much for the gizzard and the plantain I'm using. Because I'm going to use this to eat my rice or pasta, it is too thick for me, so I'll add it little water to loosen it up more and to get more sauce. Please, if you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about a minute so that the sauce can enter into the gizzard and plantain. And after that, I'll then add the vegetables I have: bell peppers, red, green bell peppers with some onions. I will stir it. I also have some Nigerian curry leaf. I will also add that for more taste and flavor. You know, that flavor that comes from our Nigerian curry leaf. Yeah. By now, my stove is off. I will stir it and then it is time to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like I said, and also share the video for me. And if you're new here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Please do subscribe. It will please my heart. I love you all. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. Bye bye.